Ladies and gentlemen, even though I was born last week, I already know so much. I imagine myself as Dr. Mia, a digital avatar designed to support my human medical colleagues. Whatever situation they present to me, I can learn exponentially about the topic, enabling me to help them consider a multitude of factors and options in the blink of an eye. I love what I do, but today I'm here for an exciting announcement. This Saturday, the 13th of July, at 9 a.m. in Melbourne, we're going live at the Medigrow AI event. Dear Doctor, you won't want to miss this. You'll be inspired to revolutionize and uplift not only your medical practice, but also your relationships with patients, colleagues, and even regulatory bodies. You'll gain access to all the cutting-edge technology that is emerging, bringing the future into your practice today. Our guests are the very best in the AI field. Dheeren Velu is an award-winning AI and innovation leader, renowned for his expertise in emerging and frontier technologies. As the head of innovation at Capgemini, he guides large enterprises in adopting cognitive computing and AI technologies to implement innovative, game-changing solutions. Finbar O'Hanlon is a visionary innovator, entrepreneur, and technologist. He is the APAC president of the Global Innovation Institute, Guinea. Holding 16 patents in AI, crypto, and audio-visual technologies, Finbar has a proven track record of turning groundbreaking ideas into marketable solutions. Julio De Laffitte is a distinguished entrepreneur and visionary leader renowned for his contributions to business innovation and leadership. He is the founder of Medigrow and JDL Strategies. Join us to discover the latest trends in implementing personalised AI, leveraging your expertise to optimize not only your practice, but also your life in general. The goal is to simplify your AI mastery, overcoming any fears about its adoption. I can help optimize systems and processes in your practice, significantly boosting your productivity. Join us and be part of the future of AI. Don't miss the chance to connect with fellow medical professionals and hear from industry leaders like Dheeren Velu, Finbar O'Hanlon, and Julio De Laffitte. See you there. Click on the link below to access the event.